of MTsN 1 Aceh Timur. Today, I want to tell you a story. But before, let's look the picture. Do you know this man on the picture? Do you recognize him? Well, if you can guess, I will give you clues. 1. He is a national hero from Aceh. He is also a husband of Aceh's heroine. 3. He is also known as the two faces or the Triton. Can you guess? Yes, he is Teuku Umar. The presence of Teuku Umar during Aceh War is not a good history for the Dutch. How it can be? No, I will tell you the story of Aceh's warrior. The story of two faces Teuku Umar. There are many interesting stories and events in Aceh history, especially during the Dutch War in Aceh, 1873 to 1942. Teuku Umar was born in Labuh, in West Aceh Regency in 1854, in Kampung Masjid Johan Pahala district, Melabuh, West Aceh. As a child, he was smart and brave. He was also a tough and firm child. Teuku Umar never received a formal education. However, he was able to become a strong, intelligent, and courageous leader. Teuku Umar has fought against the Dutch since the age of 19. When the first Dutch aggression began in 1873, Teuku Umar is a person who is very familiar with the Acehese styles. He is able to attract his followers and gain their cooperation. In 1880, Teuku Umar remarried the third time with Chuknyaju, who had been widowed for 2 years. She calls her husband Teuku Ibrahim Ramli. Died of Shahid in the war against Dutch, then they together fought against Dutch. As a leader, Teuku Umar has different style and tactic. One of the highlights of his war tactic is that not only preparing his troops with defensive and offensive tactics, but also burning soldier mentally with an exhilarating remark. He described the Dutch as "Kape," then went on to say "Ude Sare Mate Shahid." He used that condition to incite his troops to fight furiously. 1883, Teuku Umar initially led the Acehese troops. Suddenly turned around, he came to surrender to Governor of Van Tekin and ready to support Dutch troops. Governor, I come to make peace. I surrender. I can no longer fight with the Dutch. Said Teuku Umar. Van Tekin accepted him. Alright, we'd love to welcome you into our tribe. Be ready for war. He entered military service and ready to fight the forces of Aceh. But 1 year later, war rapidly between them. Similar thing is also done by him in 1893. He surrendered to Governor of Dekkerhof. In this second period, Teuku Umar really has convinced the Dutch with his loyalty. He even swore allegiance to the Dutch. I swear, I will always be loyal to the Dutch and its queen, and always be its ally. He shouted loudly in front of General Dekkerhof. He then named Teuku Umar Johan Pahlawan. But 3 years after his service, he decided to return to Aceh and lead his troops. It was just take tip from Teuku Umar. So far, his heart still belongs to the people of Aceh. Fighting the Dutch with full war equipment is impossible. This action originally made Cut Nyadin furious and become. This action originally made Cut Nyadin furious because she was confused and embarrassed. One time, when Teuku Umar talked with her, she asked him, "Why did you fight the Dutch?" He answered firmly, "They do not know, let alone the history that proves it." This answer is hard to interpret. Governor Dekerhoff, who had trusted Teuku Umar all this time, felt hurt because he had been betrayed by Teuku. It was the sudden attack on Melabu that claimed the life of Teuku Umar. He was shot and killed on the battlefield, precisely Kampung Mego, on February 10, 1899. His fight against the Dutch continues by his wife Cut Nyadin. These aphorisms uttered by Teuku Umar, which are written on the Kampung Mego inscription Melabu. Teuku Umar is known as the coffee lover. Before his death, he and Pangaon enjoyed a cup of coffee together. His formal slogan is, "Bengah singgah bertanya tajik kopi di kedai Melabu, atau ulun akan syahid. Tomorrow morning, we will have a cup of coffee in Melabu, or I will syahid." These are aphorisms uttered by Teuku Umar. Every hero has their own stories, and as successor of their fight, let's honor them, learn from their story to have better future. That's all the story of two faces of Teuku Umar. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.